When you making yanga, Afia woman. When you making yanga, Madam Salo. When you making yanga, Afia woman. When you making yanga, Sergeant good friend, BPO friend, Commissioner good friend, IT good friend, Governor good friend, Senator good friend, Gorigi President, old school Salo, old school fashion. Madam Salo, old school fashion. If trouble no day, wahala go day. If yanga no day, shakara go day. She no corner, she dey talk her mind. She know they lie, and she dey talk the truth. Madam Salo, Madam Congaso, Nkobi herself. Salo PRC, Salo Limited, Salo International, Salo One in Town.
Nani bakana mweto Silibonu na uko keji jijie kaka chanyaro Dabwe nyara nenye Onye melifo onye ebe Oboye Cameroon Oboye Bangladesh Afghanistan Kangwe bafu kama lifo ne mwangu
Inabida Inabida
Baby
So when you just waka dey talk to yourself for inside drain like this, you don't report.
Baby Keki ime
Ha. That must mouth.
Uda diro chacha Ni ife okuku bi mmiri achu Ife afo di oke mpa
Peter,
Baby
for this rain, you dey talk to yourself by yourself with yourself for yourself. Ogini.
Obi nyamaka Nyamaka Mi ven sick pen naka Maka no di wahala nneji mekita No only me by myself For myself With myself Only me myself Get mechanya wahala Okolu mmiri Elono Madama tili maka Ni even karele Adama si chineke yal maka ni
Ha. Wait, oh. I don't understand you. Anybody they beg, anybody want to do the wahala with you before?
Probably if any cooking now. And when Ronnie gets from me, nobody could follow me do the wahala. But only me go do the wahala. And if I enter here, open na ma ba eba futata, hagama na dim abatania because nten ri hema na hageje, oga zu wuru. Betty, I'm come Betty.
Now which guy talk with this, eh? One of me here menu now, Peter, here
Now you're talking. You want make I tell you what thing happened for my sister at the King's School today? Obi?
One.
In my teacher, in my that teacher. Eziokum at that teacher akatata. He gonna say him and man, real man. Makalive tata. Makanonye karagum manu, he shot him and Kaliokun kota. Mo Peter, Kaliokun kota. Not about it. Obi not about it.
No, Peter, I don't know you like this. This your talk now. You don't they do plenty talk. You don't they be like woman talk. You don't they act like woman. Peter, can you name me?
That teacher did them what takiri. Piaka chanya ariani no balabala. Nani makanosu libo na class.
I lie. Akiko, it's not possible. I didn't me.
Obi,
it cannot happen.
I met Chago Pao. Obi, I met Chago. Mbasina kwa kubali yoto na class. Sina sulibu. Onwere ife na agwa mmadu ọ na-agwara ya bụ nwatakịrị. Akpọcha anyị tibariba ma bụ fọnụ ma onuku onwe ihe ọ na-akpọ ya. Mfuzi nwatakịrị na-eje njụ oyi na class. Na sulibu asụsụ nna ya kwu.
Wait. No, you want to tell me now say all these things now when you don't talk now. Say now for this we state this thing they happen.
Obi, ana me n'onwe. Na bodo anyị aka ife a na-eme. Ka na ka ọ na-ga akọbi. Na apụtali mbọsị nna. Ka ife ka ije nsi. Ọ sị na edele test na class. Nwatakịrị a nwee 80 n'Igbo. Nwee 50 n'oyibo. Hey! Teacher horo. bakata sị na nwa ada agba mbọ na ibi ya na-asụ oyibo ọ na-asụ Igbo o ji Igbo eje ebe na-akụ ife dị iche ị mana basị na nwatakịrị a natala akwụkwọ na mgbede ụtụtụ ka o jewe akwụkwọ ọ na-anụgharị kwado akwụkwọ egwu ekwerie mkpọbazi nwatakịrị bebe akwa sekịrị ife na-eti ọ sị nke agwa m eziokwu na-adali ara 100 naira n'ụlọ akwụkwọ n'ọsụlụ Igbo maybe 100 naira ka ewejebe akwụkwọ
na lie for this our Igbo land.
Hey,
this thing dey happen.
ya ka ndị si ka njebe
na can't go there. The teacher ọ bụ onye Igbo ọ bụ onye oyibo.
ị na-ajụ m ka njụ onye Obi ị na-ajụ m ka njụ onye nye ka m ji si ka m buli iwe na ọnụma na-esu m ruo n'ụlọ akwụkwọ afọ eruo ebe a ka ebunufu ndị kpa atụrụ ka mụ na eri nkịta nwụrụ anwụ ka o si adị.
Now I know why your body dey hot.
Ịbịa nụnụ.
Now I know why you dey vex well like this so.
Ịbịa nụnụ.
But Peter Chelugodu, no go that school. No go now. See if you go that school now, either you meet headmistress for them, or you meet headmaster. Then they go begin to calm you down. They go tell you cool down. Cool down.
Cool down. I'll give you open. I'll carry go cool down. Make a shot. If I get men and I want Ntinoria, I'm going to knock us wuru. I will cool down.
Chelugodu na can why see what I want to tell you,
Talk.
Like I was saying, if you go to that school now, they will bring talk upon talk, and they will begin to calm you down. They will do everything before you know the moral when you carry go. You go don't calm down. Moral go no finish. Wait till you make you go then you know go fit achieve them again. Okay. But make I tell you, you see this matter now. When so you tell me, if you carry and go Madam Salou please now. If Madam Salou hear this thing, you go enter governor ear, and governor hear her. I should not take. May you know, governor talk say every Wednesday now, Igbo for our own. Every Wednesday now our own.
Hey! Okay, the man. Small man will get big sense. Emma, Abuna, Mbudo, Kujano, now with a champotwa. Especially in Kennedy Munina Fauna, what I carry, I took in here just alcohol. I can maybe choke him na counter. My neighbor get a man, Salo, one below. Osias Ulam Rocco, or Ray Baka.
See, you know, say that woman, friend to the governor. TPO, IT. That woman they talk in the same plate with the senator.
Fine, make it go. Every for Basiana, go back off on it. Come on, even a man now. I was a castle. Unu chose kasu si Igbo nwuru Igbo gadio and Igbo gaderere ayeje.
Madam Salou the Salou, the old school fashion woman herself. Make una dey follow Madam Salou the Salou as she dey talk all the matter as it dey happen for our obodo Naija.
How you doing now?
I'm full ground though. Hey, gosh. Does you be this? Hey, you come back. Which time you come back, one? Longest time.
I come back yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday, see as all of una just fine. Una just fine well, leaving my mama. What of Auntie Adak? I would say she dey fine. And I tell you, nka ine payali news down no akede bi si abi.
Ke wan ke on piorare. Nki wan na enyo to ine piorare ke hi na acho. If run
my
am
house now, see my house. I dey close to my house.
Oh, ala miri zoro imago ebe ni ne pitocha. No one just begin put leg for here na some way. You got allowed there. As for Ada, she dey fine. She dey fine. But problem be say she no dey town now. She no dey town. She go them village. We go there, you want go see him people. You go come back. But you see as you come fresh, she must go must see even in a touch and now want someone. Hey, give one ya, no nya Kenya. Yeah, go over here in the river one. Come Madam Salou once.
my mama there for house. Also move out, she say make I pick small things for her.
Wetin she wan cook? Computer no, you want to go make her shoe sharp.
Ebuka, no wahala now, na we. No problem. Kebi si abekwa, Kebi na where you dey go? Where you come from?
My sister, now my brother pikin school. Now that they from come.
Your brother pikin school. I'm not so bad draw. Wetin happen for there this morning?
No wahala no just dey. Now Wednesday traditional uniform. Now I go buy for am.
Wednesday traditional uniform. I no understand.
Which one you dey understand again, Nonya? Opera ebaki higa kamada man dizini yene kwa my heavy code. That one na Wednesday traditional Igbo uniform, where then they wear for school. Now I go buy for them. They sell them for school, and different school they get them own. Now I made them they call them Wednesday traditional Igbo uniform.
Wow. I don't understand this one.
Hey.
I don't even hear them before. I know even where they come from. They know they do that one. Our state don't they boom small. We don't they upgrade. Don't grow.
Don't be small upgrade though. This one na over upgrade where our state don't they upgrade though. See ever since this our wonderful Ogbonge governor enter now so better thing we just they do they go. I they tell you.
I they see am with my eyes. See now, see as everywhere just clean. See traffic lights. You see community projects. You see agriculture. The one where they sweet me, where they work anyhow like this, now security. You see that one? Now that one I like pass. Security. Now that one I like pass.
You never even hear the one where they town now. See because say this our governor get sense, well. Now him come make am say every Wednesday. Say now traditional attire we go they knock, they go. And they tell you, even for our school, and even for Olu Oyibo, no, they don't call them Olu Oyibo again. Nah, no, they don't call them Olu Oyibo. Olu Anyi.
Which one be Olu Anyi again? Can you want to Olu Anyi?
That one when they call Olu Oyibo before, they know they call them Olu Oyibo again. This time around, now Olu Anyi, our job, me and you work. Olu Anyi. Ya ka na kpozie si kita anu I na ruzi kwa olu anyi o na ruzi olu anyi.
No be lie. See that governor, that man on a ban you fumo. You see that man, he dey try well for us. They do well for us.
No be small. No be small. So na him make am come say every Wednesday say na traditional Igbo attire we go dey wear. Good na Igbo we dey speak now. Every Wednesday na we dey speak. I dey tell you.
See that particular one. That one I like am well.
You go like am.
For us to see Igbo now. We be Igbo people.
Yes,
I know see Igbo, but that one go work well.
You go work oh. No be say you talk. You go work. See, make I tell you one secret. If you won't get anything from this our governor hand it's alright wetin here open n'aka. Just jejely for your house, dress well for Igbo attire, for Wednesday, emphasis day for Wednesday. Go in office that Wednesday, supuli Igbo. Speak Igbo for them. If you speak and finish, nothing where you go ask them where you no go do for you. And they tell you, no go tell anybody, so I tell you. Make them no go begin overcrowd my governor office.
Ebuka. Where the one they come from? You don't come again, Ibiakwa. You don't come.
What I they talk be say our governor na better Igbo man. Where they proud of where he come from. Now what I just they tell you. See now he make am. I they tell you him they like Igbo well. Now see the thing be say this our governor, he go school no be say no, he go am well. Come they even blow grammar, pass even person wey talk say na him write am. But that one no go come make am say he no go dey proud of Igbo culture. That man, he too like Igbo things die. I like this one, no be small.
Ebuka. Ebuka.
Why they call me like that now? Since you just they call me like saying I lie. Okay, okay, see am now. If governor they go anywhere outside our state, na better Igbo attire in the wear. Even if they go their governor meeting or any other meeting for that matter, na in the wear. You know end there in the shop Igbo food, in they speak Igbo, they na super Igbo kaya say na anwuta. Another thing be say, hey, this man they too defend anything wey be Igbo anywhere, anytime. Na I na Suzy Igbo kita o, bro kwa nko very o.
See that one? This particular one no be lie at all. He get one TV program I watch about culture. If you see this man, oh, the man wey yiri efendi Igbo, na efeji madu ndi Igbo, ezigbo efendi Igbo, we beze ikwu okwu. We subi Igbo. Oh, mama. We na asu Igbo, we luze ni Igbo egwu. Oh. Muka we tu onwe ya na. We wenye okwu. Wenye aka. We bend there like this. When we Igbo amaka mama lecture nwa yo. My dear, Igbo sweet.
Sweet no be small. See, as you just talk am na so e dey.
I like that.
That man no get party too. Anything wey concern Igbo, he no dey use am play sam. I too like am. Biko, I gana asu Igbo. Muna gi kwa ya e yebedo tata. Na asu Igbo. You got to go. Make we even begin waka go down to the house.
Where the traditional this thing, traditional Wednesday you want? I won't see am.
I don't give my brother pikin now.
I never see him. I won't see him.
No, they talk this one make you no be say I no go follow you go shop waiting you come back from Lagos.
Madam Salo the old school fashion woman herself. Make una dey follow Madam Salo as she dey talk all the matter as it dey happen for Obodo Naija.
Okuna Fugobiko. When no new wife say make you go buy something for market to come back now. Okuna na nwe sige ba galu ke Biko na gu ni na gu. Hey. Madam
Salo the Salo.
Yeah, no. So never house you go live where I send you. And you wear Fuka. You know fit tell her make you come back to send a message. I said I be not send a market I send make you go buy something.
Madam Salo the Salo, good morning. Answer me now. Morning we do.
Morning. Oh yeah, answer my own. Why you not tell her make you begin go house? You don't see the bag where you carry.
See, but Nonya no go my house. I just see am for road as they come back from market. And I me with am come follow begin come here. I just say make I come collect wetin she come from Lagos.
Mama, true. I don't go in house.
Just send me the can never go na go. Secretary process so mo kwa tu ni.
Madam Salo with the greet or good morning.
Which one be with the greet? Now you are who they be with the greet. One person, one mouth, now you greet for two people.
Madam Salo, I beg no vex. I the greet too. Good morning, ma.
No. How na day?
We don't find Madam Salo. My sister, she go sit down for village yesterday, but she will come back today.
Okay, but the man Peter, Kedi. So I know say na better to na carry come from you. Nothing happen.
Madam Salo the Salo. This is why you too like better thing, no? You
you don't like better thing. You know like na bad thing you like, now you sabi. Obi Nabiko, tell me the better thing. I know mind this one. We don't know where for the pen. Walk out in a fine now.
Madam Salo, not be like saying we not carry better thing come. No, now the thing is say, it gets some kind of things where they happen for our schools. We not good. Now we can't say make we can't tell you because we know say once this matter reach your hand, it don't reach the ear of the government.
Yes, look, Madam Salo.
I'm going to talk the thing now, make I.
Madam Salo. Nwanne nke m. Ka onye nkuzi pịala ịtalị n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Pịacha anya arụ pịapụta ọbala naanị maka nọọsụ Igbo n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Iche n'ebe ka obi. O jide nwatakịrị anya ara 100 naira. Nọọsụ Igbo onye Igbo 100 naira. O mezie ekwe na-ekwazi nwatakịrị ji akwụkwọ. Nye ka m bini ka m rue n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. Nru ka m fụ onye isi fa n'ụlọ akwụkwọ ka m si ya nke nnawu anya. Ọ bụ ezie wee ife ka ọ kpeli mmanụ. Mgbe nna gazi nwezu obi wee sị m Mo ka anyị bịa go na nke gị ka anyị bịa kọtọgolo gị ife na atụrụ nwere rivo ji ka ewu ogologo.
Now, Madam Salo.
Cherukwa. Your own sister. I've been another person.
Asị gị nwa nwanne m nwaanyị nne ji mụ na ya nye ka obi si ka anyị bịa gwa gị na ịnụrụ anya na shapali na ị ga-eme ihe dị na ya okwu erue gọvanọ ntị.
Madam Salo, now we call second committee and doctors.
Who do that kind thing for this we state? Eh? The person no be Igbo again, I be waiting.
Okay, Bobby. Oh, there, Bobby. In my note, name me fair. Is to go to NSC in a Sulibo, but not Sulugo. And Igbo from one. On there, you're there. Oh, you better hear it.
Vita. Now, my landlady won't be that. My landlady. If you go my landlady house, you no go ever hear my landlady speak Igbo. Give her children. She go dey form Igbo when she not even know. Or you call your Igbo. Junior, stop promoting your sandal. Look at how you are putting sand in your sand for your body.
Obi, I went to read over it. Obi, is it me, Madam Salo? I didn't better pass that one.
Madam Salo,
Now people when they even know Igbo pass even the Igbo people themselves. Nonsense. Over Sabi people.
Hey! Don't be small over Sabi people, Ebuka. This Oyibo way una dey talk Oyibo. You know, say for China, and their language they speak it.
yes, sir.
If you go which one again they call France?
Yes, France.
Now their language then they speak.
Even for India.
Even for India, their language. Go this one, Italian, and the which one?
Even India.
Even Europe.
All of them are their language. So why we no go they speak our own language? Igbo maka one. Igbo dey sweet well. Make you come be say you come from Anambra State, we be head of Igbo.
Right.
Now, how did they speak? They say, "Una follows my hand." Why Igbo when they sweet well? Why you no go dey press say you be Igbo person? They told this one, Igbo amaka. Make you come be say we be Anambra. Hey,
Madam Salo ji kwokwu ọma gị. Ị ma na nwere ebe ị ga-eje izu onye Igbo. Isuru ala Igbo. Osmali go Igbo ki bada mana na we.
My brother. Now make you not happy for any matter be that.
Obi, no be only to make them not help you. Now people when they use them do in Yanga, some of them not even if you ask them what be their name, they not even they're gonna go pronounce their name well. Then they use and do a physics where I don't know. They form what I don't know.
For example.
Osikwa form. What it be form? Na shame they no get. If like I feel more on Andova. When they say you Igbo person, na Igbo. You say when they do physics or what?
Physics.
What it call that one come they form? What it they form? Igbo. Hey, you gonna not that kind of person going on. My people can take no something. Igbo language is sweet well. It's sweet. Now you make our governor come and say every Wednesday, look we wear our Igbo tradition.
Yes, sir.
Come to speak. Now see Igbo from our Wednesday. Ofu mkpụrụ ụbọchị ewepụta dị izuụka nke wee na-eme ihe Igbo ka o wee na-aga. Our governor don't do it. It's easy for us. What you can't define again? You don't tell us that we're supposed to respect our culture. They can make it be valuable thing for our hand. Make Igbo no go die throw away for nothing. Which can't be that? Waiting on the form. Igbo amaka subi Igbo come on ebis. Come on nke na-eme. Kini bu na iya Igbo na tell me a fees. Form. They what did they na shame they no get. Shame na they no get.
See,
person wey be Igbo no go know Igbo they talk say they do this.
see, Madam Salo. You see those our Igbo people who even they abroad. They speak Igbo well with their children. Pass our own people when they say they born them for Amobia.
Or backyard.
They born them for Uno. They born them for Isia and Ochaya. They no feel to speak ordinary welcome for Igbo. They no know.
Ị ka na-ekwu ebe telaka. Ndị Yoruba zukọ, Yoruba kafa jeme nzukọ.
Oh.
Ndị Hausa zukọ, Hausa kafa jeme nzukọ. Ta na-eji asụsụ fe ede minute fa. Negodi ndị side mmadụ tebe ma binibia, ma ị gala bịa ma ị dọma bịa, fa na asụ asụ fa. Oruzie na nke anyị.
Now that one not even the talk. What of all these pikin them where their mama and papa be Igbo but they born them for Lagos? This one so you go ask, where are you from? You go begin tell you say, my mama thought say I be Igbo. You call am Igbo. They call am Igbo. Which one be Igbo? Like say no one happen on. Can you go they can talk be here? You know if me end there, you go ask them where to be their name. Then they begin form with I don't know. Waiting be that your name again, Obi. They want call Obi, they say, Obi. The boss, when they go if it they go begin say, if it say, which one be if it say?
Madam Salo, Benji Okafor. Kasla, Kadafai. Oh, I'm Benjamin Oxford. Benjamin Oxford.
Now because I never meet that kind of person. If now you they do this kind of what they talk, I jam me for it. Tell me your name now. Make Madam Salo show you say, whatever was then they don't believe. Oba say Igbo nya Anambra State. Iga neko. Obo do ku na ewu ne. Oge mmadụ Igbo Anambra State. We bulu onye Igbo. Hey! Asụsụ Igbo. Ise mu Ebu Benjamin Benja. What is that?
Over Lembrarian.
Is that una fwa kana aba na afa. Hey, afi Igbo amakakwa. Asigi akụmakọ to say call gi Ụka Amaka.
Chiamaka.
Nneka.
Chinenye.
Chukwudi.
Madam Salo, any country for this world where I travel go, I not see Igbo person there.
That's not the country with that.
I'm sure
because they run. The country never exists. No, the country never. It's not the country.
I tell you.
Igbo people. When you see our food when they cook am, you see as we dress, you see as we dey talk. Hey. Obuzi Igbo Igbo.
When you make nyanga, afia woman. When you make nyanga, Madam Salo. When you make nyanga, afia woman.